We check your money at 20 and 50 after every hour. I'm Bloomberg's Andrew O'Day from the California Deluxe Windows Money Desk, KNX News 97.1 FM.
Concerns about getting through the winter in Ukraine. Details coming up. It's 6:51.
There's all kinds of talk on the campaign trail.
Sometimes thoughtful, sometimes, well,
What do we do? Depend on KNX for trustworthy campaign coverage of the candidates and the issues.
we'll leave the yelling to someone else.
KNX News 97.1 FM, Southern California's election station.
JCPenney's lowest prices of the season are here for the saving. There's no time like now to stock up on Home Expressions quick dry bath towels, only $4.88. Soak up even more fall savings on women's boots and jeans for him and her from brands like St. John's Bay, Mutual Weave, Arizona, and more. So many washes and styles, all starting at $21.88. Shopping is back. JCPenney offers valid on select styles through 10/23, excluded from coupons. Lowest prices of the season refers to the time period 7/31 to 10/23.
You don't need to get personal, like Billy You loves to smell your cat's breath. To get the State Farm personal price plan, just call or go to statefarm.com for a quote. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Prices vary by state. Options selected by customer availability and eligibility may vary.
Fremont Bank. If there's one thing we understand more than anybody, it's that it takes a local bank to really get the needs of local businesses. And more than anything, local businesses need access. Access to a knowledgeable banker and access to a full suite of business services. You can't come to the bank? We'll come to you. Our devotion to our clients ensures your business never misses a beat. That's why Fremont Bank remains the right choice for local and family-owned businesses. Learn more at fremontbank.com. Member FDIC.
It's the bottom of the ninth, the game's on the line, and your small business needs a loan fast. What's your move? Go to OnDeck.com, America's largest online small business lender. With OnDeck, you can apply in minutes, and if approved, get your funds as soon as the same day. Go to OnDeck.com. Your loan is on deck. Depending on certain loan attributes, your business loan may be issued by OnDeck or Solano, Utah Chartered Industrial Bank, member FDIC. Limited eligibility for same-day funding. OnDeck is not very stable. All loans subject to lender approval.
Look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. Ugh. It would actually be food. It would be made with real, fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve their nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people to cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio. That's thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Brian's taking a crash in the fog in Santa Ana and more in 90 seconds at 6:53.
Russian airstrikes have destroyed almost a third of Ukraine's power stations in the last few weeks. Correspondent Callie McCormick says there are concerns about getting through the winter.
Weather forecasters are predicting a milder than usual winter, but additional imports of gas may be needed. Ukrainians are being asked to reduce their power usage. There could be rolling blackouts. Now there's growing concern about Ukraine's supply routes. An army general there is warning that Russian forces are likely to launch an attack from neighboring Belarus to cut off weapons and military equipment from the west.
Ukraine's energy system has suffered more attacks in the last 10 days than during the previous 8 months of the war.
Money can buy a lot of things, but it does not necessarily buy popularity. A finance and lending research company conducted a survey of the most low billionaires in the world. Donald Trump came in first, followed by Jeff Bezos. Bill Gates is apparently the most loved billionaire, though, just ahead of Elon Musk. Richard Branson finished favorably as well. Former UCLA gynecologist James Heaps is taken into custody immediately after verdicts read in his sex abuse trial. We'll have the details at 7:05. Under CBS News at 6:55.
Let's get a check of your traffic and weather together, sponsored by Nick Alexander Imports. And here's Brian Douglas.
All right, we're in Santa Ana, and you're driving south on that 5 coming up to 4th Street. We've got a crash over here. I believe it's to the right shoulder. I did notice a little more slowing than I do now about 2 minutes ago, but just watch out for that. Northbound side, you've got slowing from Colton Drive, and that's going to stay pretty heavy on the 5 up to about Ball Road. So that's probably the toughest drive going here in Orange County. That 91, that's tough, not as tough as the 5, but you've got slowing from the scales out through the 241, 57. That's another slow drive now. Orange County just past, I wouldn't say just at Tonner is where the backup begins, because up ahead, 57 north to the 60 west. me, it's a Sigler. This has been with us for quite a while. This was a big rig that overturned. That trailer is still on its side, and whatever was in that trailer all over that road, that transition road, so that's going to be here. It's going to be blocked for quite a while. 110 northbound, extra slow. We've got the LAFC and the Galaxy in Expo Park. We've got the Lakers and Clippers downtown. So if you're heading to the game, which starts, both games start in 5 minutes actually, you'll see slowing starting at Slauson. Of course, out of downtown, you're going to be slow as well. Kind of your normal slowing down towards Slauson and sluggish after that. Santa Monica Freeway, you still have a really tough drive before you even get to Centinela. It's going to stay tough as you make your way into downtown. And Nick Alexander BMW, whether you're back in the office or work or from, well, anywhere, homie Nick offers door-to-door complimentary flatbed pickup and delivery on all factory scheduled maintenance. Schedule your pickup today. Call 800-800-NICK. And remember, Nick can't say no. Next report, it's on the way at 7:05 from the ToyotaGlendora.com 24-hour traffic center.
We are in the 50s and 60s tonight. Tomorrow, some low clouds and fog near the coast, and then sunshine later. 70s and 80s, really gray and murky and cool day on Saturday. Here comes fall. Some light passing showers as the frontal system moves through, and highs only in the 60s for the most part. Maybe not even to 60 in some valley locations. Right now, downtown LA has 78 degrees.
A man accused of stabbing 4 people, killing 1 in Long Beach, is now linked to other violent attacks. More at the top of the hour at 6:57.
Zuckerberg San Francisco General has been here for 150 years, keeping the heart of San Francisco beating strong. Through love in the parks, pride in the streets, and victories in the stands. At times, it has almost flatlined, but it beats as one when we come together and make this city whole again. Join San Francisco.